Hello, my name is Tim Rowart. I'd like to talk about the Vapotherm and how to put in the settings today. First off, we'll need to connect our gases. Connect our oxygen gas line and then our air gas line. And we will plug up our unit and preferably into a red electrical outlet. Notice as I plugged it in, the unit turned on. Now I'm going to hook up our still water bag. I'm going to make sure that my clamping on my water line to that still water bag is not clamped in there. Make sure it's unclamped. Alright, now notice on the screen you've got the amber light there, which means this is in standby mode. Okay, and then on the monitor itself, you've got the icon here that says low, which represents the type of kit that we use, which is the low flow kit, which is the kit that we use for neonates. Now, to adjust your settings, press the rotary knob, and the one that is highlighted or that is blinking is the one that you can change. So I'm going to set my FO2 to 30%. The next thing is my temperature. You can go all the way up to 39, but we're going to set it at 37 degrees. Press the rotary knob to accept. Now we're at the flow. And on the flow, you can go from 1 all the way up to 8 liters a minute using the low flow kit. So I'm going to go ahead and just set it at 6. Accept that. Now I've got all my settings in and I've accepted all of them. I'm going to turn my unit on by pressing this power button, the button underneath the amber light. Press it for just a second and let go. You hear it beeping to warm up. And your amber light turned green. And sometimes it will be a blinking green light until your temperature warms up. Okay? But it's a green light and our temperature is starting to warm up. Okay? So now we actually have flow at 6 liters a minute, 30%, and the temp we had set is at 37 degrees, so it's going to gradually warm up to that temperature. You'll want to choose a cannula that only includes approximately 50% of the nairs when using high flow. And the cannula attaches right here. And then you place the cannula on the baby. Thank you.